Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful blouse. It's really easy to make. It's a total beginner tutorial. It's for small, maybe medium size, 15.5 inch, almost 40 centimeters, and it's a crop top, 29 centimeters, 11 inch long. You can make it longer, you can make it bigger easily. I'm gonna show you in the video how to adjust it. And for this I use this yarn, Perfect Decay Ombre from Utopia Crafts. It's an acrylic yarn and recommends 2.5mm hook, but I used 4 and 4.5, mainly 4.5. Only for here, this ribbing part, I use 4mm hook. I use totally 160 or 70 grams of yarn. 2 balls will be enough for small, medium sizes. And 1 ball is 300 meters. So I made a skirt with the same pattern, same yarn. You can find it here right now. Just make the blouse and skirt, and if you want to wear it, feel free to share your photos with me. Sirin Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. I'll eagerly wait for your photos. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. We can start now. Start with a slip knot. For the granny stitch, you will need multiples of 3. I'm gonna use 120 chains for small medium size. Once you complete the chains, try not to twist them. And join from this first chain with a slip stitch. Chain 3 as a double crochet into this same place. Put 2 more double crochets. How to make them? Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Into same place, make 1 more. Skip 2 chains, insert into the next, put 3 double crochets. Without chaining, skip 2 chains into the third. Make 3 double crochets. And you will repeat this till you reach here. I complete the row. I'm going to skip this last 2 chains and join from this third chain. Chain 3, turn. For each row, we're going to turn our work. Into this space, I'm going to put 2 double crochets. With this one, it's 3. Skip this 3 double crochets into this next space, put 3 double crochets. Into this next space, make 3 double crochets. And that's our repeat. Meet you at the end. I made the last one, join from this third chain, chain 3, turn, and put 2 double crochets. Without chaining into the next space, put 3 double crochets. And you are gonna repeat this. I'm gonna turn back in a second and give you the measurements. I complete this top part. Now I'm gonna give you the measurements. It's 40 centimeters, 25 centimeters. You can make it longer as you like. I'm gonna make it crop. Now chain 1 into here, this same place. I'm gonna put a single crochet, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the next space. I'm gonna make a shell with 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the next space, put a single crochet. Into the next space, put a shell. 5, 6. Into the next, put a single crochet. Repeat this till the end. I made the last one. Insert from the single crochet stitch, join with a slip stitch, cut the yarn. Now we are gonna make the frill part. For the frilly part, I made 120 chains again. Into this first chain, I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Instead of skipping 2, I will only skip 1 chain. Only difference is this. Skip 1 into the next, put 3 double crochets. And that's a kind of increase that gives this frilly shape to this. And you're gonna follow the same pattern for here. After this row, skip 1, make 3 double crochets, join from here, third chain, turn back, and repeat the second row, same row. Turn back in a second and give you the measurements. I made this piece too, and it's 48 centimeters, 15 and a half centimeters. You are gonna make the same thing, shells for the border. And before joining, we will make single crochets for here. You can join with this way too, but it will be easier if you make single crochet before. You're gonna make the same thing for other part too. Just make a slip knot. I'm gonna start with a standing single crochet. Insert from this chain, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. You see there's only 1 chain. For the next piece, you will have 2 chains before the next full chain. I have only one. I'm gonna make a single crochet around it. Into this stitch, I'm gonna put one. Around this one, I'm gonna put one. Put single crochets till the end and make the same thing for the other part too. When you turn back here, you're gonna make your last one and join from this stitch. I could show you this. I'll meet you at the end. I'm at the end. That's the other part, okay? I complete the first one, this one. If you're making this, you are gonna put one single crochet, then join. For this, we are gonna put 2 single crochets and join. Chain 2. Do not cut your yarn. We are gonna join these two together. Okay. Insert from this first stitch and same stitch from here. Make a double crochet. Sorry, I need to change the hook. I'm gonna use a 4mm hook. Just a second. Insert into this next stitch and next stitch from here. Put a double. Use both loops. You see? Make double crochets till the end. I will have 120. You will have your starting chains. Meet you at the end. I'm at the end and join from this first stitch, chain 2. Now we are gonna make back post and front post double crochets. Yarn over. Skip these 2 chains, okay? Around this first double crochet, insert your hook from front to the back and give it to the front again. Make a front post double crochet. Now a back post double crochet. That's the next double crochet post. Insert from the back, go around to the back again. Make a double. 1 front post, 1 back post. 1 front post, 1 back post. Repeat this till the end. You are gonna complete the row with a back post, double crochet, join, and now I'm gonna change the hook again. I will put 1 single crochet into each stitch. You can keep going with 4mm too, but I don't want to make here too tight. Single crochets will make here tighter. Okay. one single crochet into each stitch till the end. I'll meet you there. And when we complete the single crochet row, we will just hide the tail. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.